Hi, my name is Steve Jones. I'm the VP of Consumer Sales here at Rev-A-Shelf. Rev-A-Shelf is entering its 40th year of doing business, and we are the leading manufacturer of kitchen organization products. Anything from kitchen to vanity or closet organization, and even LED lighting, Rev-A-Shelf has you covered. Today, we're going to talk to you a little bit more about some of the packaging improvements that we have embraced that is going to improve not only our brand, but our customer experience. Digital printing has not only changed the way we look at our business, but it has actually opened up some other opportunities that would not have been available before. Rev-A-Shelf and Independent 2 have been two long-standing family-owned businesses that have operated together for over 25 years. When Independent 2 brought us this opportunity to look into digital printing, I will be honest, I was skeptical. But now that we've been doing this for over a year, there is no way that I would look back. Digital printing has actually revolutionized and changed the way that we're doing business, the way it represents our brand, and the way that we service our customers. If you were to ask me if I could go back to traditional printing methods, the answer would absolutely be no. Traditional printing methods usually only catered to our larger customers that had the ability to run large print runs. Well, now digital printing is not only going to benefit our larger customers, it's also going to benefit our smaller customers who didn't have the ability to have large print runs in the past. Lower lead times, lower print runs, and changing artwork are the three keys that will make us successful and make our brand available to everyone. I appreciate the opportunity from Independent 2, and I look forward to continued success, especially in the digital printing area.